not Hill. Hey, it did!
Like, I can't say like with any honesty that it's anything other than an experiment in how kids learn.
2. I gotta go, I gotta go, I gotta go!
And this is different ways that we can approach teaching science using, you know, the design thinking process, using the design process in general, using the engineering process.
Design thinking is a process that uses empathy, creativity, and rationality to solve problems.
Here. No, it can't be yeah.
I wanted to slow down this process a little bit because before you start brainstorming some cool ideas, we want to kind of see and check in with you. What are the needs that you think that you're seeing? Here's 1 year where we really dedicate time for kids to be able to learn how to think and be problem solvers. You can prove that they're doing science no problem. You don't have to, you know, science is not the memorization of science content, right? Like I keep saying that. Like you're not doing a science class just because you're memorizing the different planets in the solar system. You're not doing science just because you're memorizing the different bones in the human skeletal system. That's not science, it's just memorization. The process of science is a process, it's not content. And so what we are doing is we're teaching the process of science.
Talk about the criticism, people.
We're trying to just find proof that it actually can teach science in a way that's more relevant, more engaging, more like real science, and happens to be very child-centered. So the dream would be just to like have education be a place where kids can go and know that they're gonna be exposed to the beauty of this world and the beauty of their own selves, right? Because like their brains are so amazing. Like the creativity that these kids have who can't spell or write, like their brains are still really beautiful, awesome places. They're little places, universes. Leadership, responsibility. We're finding out who the leaders are from this exercise. Oh. You are under a challenge right now.
We're making a team based off skills. It doesn't matter.
Literacy and how to write, literacy and how to read.
Sears is SEARS.
Literacy and how to determine a good website source from another, you know, all kinds of literacy. It's just, you're getting smarter. Their listening skills are being trained very carefully. They're listening and their observation. They're creating a learning community, right? Where they have to rely on each other. So it could be a skill. Like I really need to learn and use the laser cutter. Can you just show me how to make a box really quickly? Yeah, ask that person and they connect quickly. So they're forming like a collective brain.
Keep going, man. No, I want to see this whole wall covered. Okay, yeah, let's draw a big one. Big one, okay.